Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis. This is for the 14th of February. In terms of the news for tomorrow, we have a very early start with the Euros at 7 a.m. UK time, and that's just really some GDP news. As from the next point onwards, we have a US dollar news at 1:30, and that's some core retail sales. We should get some decisions in regarding some US dollar volatility. So looking at GBPUSD, looking at exactly what happened today, we've had that huge push to the upside. Multiple reasons for this. Partly something with the parliament. I'm not too entirely sure, so just excuse on that. But looking at the technical side, this is why I keep stressing this in my other videos as well. I always look based on the technical side as opposed to what happens in the news, because news is more or less fabricated, and it is too hard to kind of predict if you're a fundamental analysis. But looking at our charts from where we did analyze, we had a buy signal from this point onwards, and we should be now in some really good profit now, so 120 odd pips. So these moves was predicted on the 11th of February, and obviously this push, you wouldn't have known that until after the news. So this big push to the upside, we could start to see some momentum with the pound strengthening over the next few days and potentially in the next week or so. So like I said, some good profits to be taken. Euro USD, we had that perfect pullback that we were looking for, so a good trade from this. So you should be selling Euro USD right now, placing your stop loss around in this region. Remember to make sure you're only risking 1% of your account, so you'll have to adjust your lot sizes and do stuff like that. USDJPY, we're not making any proper moves, but we are holding this level of support, so we could start to see a push to the upside. We obviously came back down to retest, so you may have closed or broke even, whatever you've done, but prices obviously come back against us, back again at this reversal zone, so we could potentially see another possible support move, or we could start to see a break below and the pullback. So we'll just have to see, especially with the news for tomorrow. And finally, with gold, getting closer and closer towards our reversal zone here at the top. Not too much, but couldn't really get if you did manage to get a trade here, was saying about the monthly level 1563, did say it can be quite risky to take off the support levels because they are very small, and it obviously can take a quick turnaround. But as we can see, we've had that a potential buy point from here. If you did take that, could be looking at a good 100 pips now. But that's obviously if you didn't take a trade from this point onwards. But we'll obviously continue and see if we can get into our purple range of our zone and see exactly what price wants to do there. So that'll be our next turning point and our next potential trade if we can get into that zone tomorrow. But we'll see exactly what will happen. And obviously tomorrow, make sure you're checking for the weekly closes, etc., and all that for your higher time frame analysis. So yeah, that will be all for this analysis video. I am saying again, just to, if you haven't heard, I'm starting to change the channel a bit as of this weekend, and obviously I'll do a quick update video regarding what I'll be doing for the next couple of months or so. So that'll be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you in the next one.